I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the case. Remove it and wipe the interior and exterior with 70% isopropyl and a microfiber cloth. Once done, pick thin, non-metallic decorations, vinyl decals, acrylic paint, or UV resin, because bulky metal will block MagSafe. Next, mark the MagSafe ring center with a light pencil or transparent ring template so you can align decoration without shifting charging performance. Make sure to work on a flat surface, and keep small clamps or painters tape handy to hold pieces in place. You now create a stable base and attach elements carefully. First, apply a thin matte or gloss primer compatible with your case material and let it cure following the product instructions. Then, position your decal, thin charm, or painted design over the marked MagSafe area, keeping the center clear by about 1–2 mm so the magnet ring remains unobstructed. Use clear double-sided adhesive strips or a thin layer of epoxy for permanent pieces. Press, clamp, or tape them and allow adhesive to set for 30 to 60 minutes. You finish by sealing and testing. Apply a clear UV resin or spray lacquer over decorations to protect them, then cure fully per instructions. Once cured, test MagSafe charging and alignment across 0% to 100%. Make sure the phone magnetically snaps into place and charges without overheating. If charging falters, remove the top layer locally or trim decoration to restore a 1–2 mm clearance around the magnet. That single adjustment usually restores contact. Finally, let the case rest 24 hours before heavy use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.